can we bring back the natural shine of this Crema Marfil marble? In this video, we'll show you the complete process, from measuring the initial gloss level, grinding the surface using Aguila 3-inch Italy pads, to the final polishing process using titanium VX5. And at the end, we'll measure the gloss again to see the actual improvement. Before starting the restoration process, the first step is to measure the existing gloss level of the marble. We use a gloss meter to obtain an objective reading of the surface condition before grinding and polishing. Now we begin the progressive grinding process using Aguila 3-inch Italy pads. We start with grit 30. This is our initial grinding stage and provides the strongest surface correction in the sequence. We work systematically across the marble, maintaining consistent machine movement and coverage. Next, we move to grit 60. This stage begins refining the surface and reducing the coarse grinding marks created during the previous step. Maintain an even working pattern across the entire area. Now we continue with grit 120. At this stage, the surface becomes progressively smoother as we further refine the grinding pattern. Before moving forward, make sure the scratches from the previous grit have been evenly refined. Next is grit 400. Here, we transition from corrective grinding into finer surface refinement. The marble should now begin to develop a smoother and more uniform appearance. We then continue with grit 800. This is an important refinement stage before the final diamond step. At this point, the marble surface becomes noticeably smoother and starts developing greater clarity. Our final diamond stage is grit 1800. This produces a finely refined surface and prepares the Crema Marfil marble for the final polishing process. Work evenly across the entire area to achieve a consistent finish before moving to titanium VX5. Now that the grinding process is complete, we move to the final polishing stage using titanium VX5. This is where we develop the final gloss and enhance the clarity and appearance of the Crema Marfil marble. We work systematically across the entire surface, maintaining controlled and consistent machine movement. As the polishing process continues, you can see the reflection and clarity developing across the marble. Our goal is to achieve a uniform, clean, and high-gloss finish across the entire surface. Once polishing is complete, we thoroughly clean the surface and inspect the final finish. And now look at the difference. From a dull surface to a smooth, refined, and highly polished Crema Marfil marble. But we don't want to judge the result by appearance alone. So, we perform another gloss measurement after completing the entire restoration process. Using the same gloss meter, we measure the restored surface and compare the final reading with our original baseline. If you found this Crema Marfil restoration process useful, give this video a like and share it with other stone care professionals. Subscribe to our channel for more professional tutorials on marble grinding, polishing, restoration, stone care products, and equipment. And tell us in the comments which marble or natural stone you'd like to see us restore next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next restoration.